Humanoid robots shaping our world in 2050. Imagine a world where robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, assisting us in ways we never thought possible. Are we ready for this future? Let's explore the fascinating world of humanoid robots and their potential impact on society by 2050. Humanoid robots are designed to mimic human form and behavior. They are more than just machines. They are complex systems of sensors, actuators, and AI. This allows them to interact with the world in a human-like manner. These robots are rapidly evolving, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, material science, and robotics engineering. We're seeing more sophisticated designs and capabilities emerge every year. This progress is paving the way for their widespread adoption. Humanoid robots are already making inroads into various sectors. They are assisting in healthcare, manufacturing, and even customer service. Their ability to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks makes them invaluable. In healthcare, robots can assist surgeons with precision, deliver medications, and provide companionship to elderly patients. In manufacturing, they can automate assembly lines, improving efficiency and reducing errors. The possibilities are truly endless. Robots are particularly well-suited for tasks that are physically demanding, dangerous, or require high precision. They can work in hazardous environments, such as disaster zones or nuclear power plants. This keeps humans safe. They also excel in data analysis and processing, identifying patterns and insights that humans might miss. This makes them valuable in fields like finance, research, and development. Their tireless nature is a significant advantage. If you're really enjoying this video, then don't forget to like and share to your friends. Subscribe our channel for get more such an amazing videos. While robots offer numerous advantages, they also have limitations. Robots excel at repetitive tasks and data processing, but they lack human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking skills. These are uniquely human traits. Humans, on the other hand, are adaptable, creative, and capable of making complex decisions based on incomplete information. However, we are prone to errors, fatigue, and emotional biases. A balanced approach is key. The advantages of robots include increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved safety. They can work 24/7 without breaks, performing tasks with consistent accuracy. This leads to higher productivity and fewer accidents. However, the disadvantages include job displacement, ethical concerns, and the potential for misuse. As robots become more capable, it's crucial to address these challenges proactively. We need to ensure a just and equitable transition. By 2050, humanoid robots could be ubiquitous, transforming our cities, workplaces, and homes. Imagine robots assisting with household chores, providing personalized education, and even exploring distant planets. This future is within reach. However, this future also requires careful planning and ethical considerations. We need to develop regulations and guidelines to ensure that robots are used responsibly and for the benefit of all humanity. The future is ours to shape. The rise of humanoid robots presents both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. It's crucial for us to engage in thoughtful discussions about their role in society. Let's shape a future where robots and humans coexist harmoniously. What are your thoughts on the future of humanoid robots? Share your opinions in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the future of technology. Let's build a better future together.